Okay, Johnny.
Yeah, hi.
So how do you feel? Tomorrow is the day that we jump.
I think over the past few days my balls have been shrinking. I swear. I think previously before this trip I've been so busy and I never got time to think about jump. And then finally you think about dangling your feet 14,000 feet in the air and then after that just jumping off. The scariest part is that you jump off already, right? That's the part where you're totally helpless already. You cannot claw for anything, and then that's it. You just have to take in the whole fall and wild imaginations in my head after that but I think at the end of the day, so many people have done it over the years and everything like that, and zero accidents, can't be that bad huh?
That's true. Okay, what about you?
Oh wow, I'm like freaked out already lah.
Are you freaked out today?
Yeah.
We have how many hours before we jump? Can you count?
It's 2:45 tomorrow. The time now is 10:31.
It's about 14 hours?
No.
10.
No lah, it's
No,
more than
it's
12 hours.
14
14 hours.
12 hours is 10 o'clock again tomorrow.
Yes.
That means it's 16 hours lah.
16 hours
16 hours lah.
to D-Day. To DDH hour.
I think my balls are shrinking until there's no balls anymore. Seriously, it has been going through my head, but I scared lah. Now,
Scared?
I mean, now come to think of it, I mean, you'll be scared lah. Anyone who doing it will be scared lah.
Don't worry bro, we're doing it together.
Yeah.
You'll be jumping with Johnny.
No, that's the thing is, if you guys weren't jumping, I think I also no balls to jump already. It's because the three of us are jumping. And you know what? I'm doing this for Malik.
Yes.
Yeah, it was his first birthday.
I'm doing it for you, bro.
Doing it for you, bro. Don't forget it. I'm gonna say happy birthday, Malik. Okay?
I'm jumping alone.
I know, but we both gonna jump for you.
Yes man,
Yes.
that's the way.
Because you're fearless, but
Okay.
our balls.
Actually, no lah. I'm not that ballers lah.
Okay.
He is lah.
Okay, let me interview the girls. Okay ladies, before you go to sleep, a quick question before we go to sleep. Oh my god, Grace, I cannot take it at your face. Oh my god, so disgusting. Oh my god. Okay, just wanted to ask any few words for our boys who are jumping tomorrow.
Yeah,
Yes.
I can't wait to see your cheeks flap in the wind. Butt cheeks, face cheeks,
Anyway,
cheeks.
why aren't you jumping? That's a big question.
Because I don't have both. It's as simple as that.
As simple as that.
Yeah.
Aren't you going to jump with us earlier?
Huh? Earlier?
Yes.
What is earlier?
Yeah, like you were contemplating to jump.
Oh yeah, contemplating lah. Then I realized I don't have the necessary goods to jump.
Really? Is that so?
Yeah, I
What
just
were-
accepted
what-
that that's a fact of
What
life.
What were your main primary concerns?
Huh, I have no balls lah.
No, okay.
Don't run away.
just say?
Don't run away. You're next.
Can I just
Can you just say?
Where's she going? Okay, wait. Before she runs away.
Okay, what do you... Wow, that's a quick exit. I didn't
Wow,
realize
that's a
that.
quick exit. Oh my god.
No, hey Grace, what do you have to say about you not going to jump, but Mala, a girl who is half your size, actually had the guts to jump? What do you say
Because
about
she
that?
hasn't told you her secret yet.
What's the secret?
She has two damn big balls down there. So she always
This is-
talk like that.
Oh, this is so going to Mala.
This is so good to Mala. Oh my god, Mala. You have to
Okay,
watch
I love
this.
you, Mala. But I know you're hiding a secret. That's why you can do your job, you see. That's why you're not shy.
Oh my god. Okay, where's this Angie? Angie, I will get you. Angie. Oh, she's here. Hello, Angie. Hello. So, what do you have to say? Any last words for our boys?
No last words. I'll see you when you land.
Oh, that's her last word. Anyway, why aren't you jumping?
Because I have no guts.
You have no guts. Is that why? Is that a good reason? Is that a good reason, Chao? That's not a good reason. Look at Chao. He is scared and
I'm
terrified.
fucking... Sorry. I'm fucking scared, seriously.
He's fucking scared.
Seriously.
She's seriously scared.
Johnny is bloody scared.
Bloody scared. Yes. I'm the only one who is apparently not afraid.
We are jumping for him lah. Birthday present to him.
That's a
Give
freaking
you
good
touch.
birthday present. I
I'm
feel damn
giving
touched.
my life to you.
No, I'm sorry. Bro, this is something that I cannot even explain.
That's why it's
like-
brother power.
No, yeah, I know. So Angie, why didn't you jump?
No, I cannot lah. I think I'll heart attack on when I draw a play, I think I'll heart attack.
Okay, fine, understandable.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
fine, good. So it's just the three of us, bro.
Yeah.
We still have to interview Charlene though.
Can I down a Boca shop before
Please
I
go ahead, man. Do all whatever you want. Do your last rites. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean it that way, but yeah. Okay, man. Tonight we will celebrate. It might be the last night we share together.
Saying things about the truth and nothing but the truth.
Okay, Charlene, we are back home, and now that you know, all of the three of us will be jumping tomorrow.
Jumping where?
Jumping
Oh, yeah,
off a
tomorrow.
plane tomorrow. Do you remember?
Yes.
So do you have any thoughts?
Happy for you, excited.
Yes, and
So Malik, how do you feel about jumping tomorrow?
nice try. Nice try.
Damn!
How do you feel about jumping tomorrow?
I'm not jumping.
I know, but
I'm enjoying myself at Chapel Street shopping.
really, you have no thoughts for the guys?
Huh?
Have you got no thoughts for the guys?
No, I'm sure you have a fun time.
Oh really?
You have an awesome time, and then you come back and then you be like, you see, you should chill, you should chill. You're laughing because you know it's gonna be true.
Yes, true. Actually, yeah, right. Actually,
Yeah, and after that, we'll have a nice celebration for Malik. So, Malik.
nice try, nice try, Charlene. Very nice try. Nice try. Oh, okay.
Good, right?
Yeah, you're good, but you try hard. Yes.
Yeah.
So why aren't you jumping?
Because I'm scared.
You're scared.
And I don't think I'll enjoy it.
Really? Why not?
Because I don't like free fall. And I don't like.
Have you ever tried free falling?
Well, roller coasters?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I don't like it. No, not one bit. Not even one bit.
No,
No.
no.
Okay, fine. Fair enough. Will you be afraid now if you were in our shoes?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm craving my toes and I won't really sleep.
Really? Do you know? Do you know how the guys are feeling?
Yes. Both of them are shitting their pants.
Yeah, that's an exaggeration. Okay,
Peeing their pants.
so just can't wait to get it over and done with. That's all.
Okay,
Yeah, but I think Malik's excited.
I am.
Yeah, so
I'm
Malik.
excited too, in a very scary way.
Okay. Anyway, tomorrow I'll interview you. Three of you.
I wish I can bring this. Do you think I can bring this along with me?
No, they won't allow you to take any videos or.
Yeah.
I wish I could take it. I'm sorry, guys. I wish I could take you with me. But yeah, I can't. So sad.
Oh well.
Oh, well.
Goes on.
Yes.
You know, Charlene was very drunk just now.
Yeah, I know.
It's not.
I managed to get a picture, a video of it, but not all of it. I should upload all of this to YouTube unedited.
Sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
You missed all the fun bits.
Yeah, I know. We missed all the fun bits. So sad.
What do we?
I had to hold her hand walking down the street.
For the jump.
Yeah. Hey, I thought you booked already, right?
Booked already.
Okay.
So it's really literally at the beach.
It's at Moran Reserve at the beach of St Kilda.
So you will land at the beach.
No,
yeah,
I
no, exactly. It will be. There is a reserve area where they're going to land us, but as we're jumping, you're going to see the whole entire beach of St Kilda.
Awesome.
Yeah, it is. Jump.
Okay, bro, can you ask the other two girls to go?
You focus to what? Oh, to bathe first. Oh.
Yeah.
So, Zhao,
What's the
how do you
conversation?
feel about jumping tomorrow?
Fucking scared.
I told you they're shitting their pants.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we already.
One is shitting his pants and one peeing in his pants.
Yeah, that's more like
That's
it.
more like it. we have already interviewed the two of them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it's only you. We only interviewed Angie.
No, but although I'm fucking scared, the fact that I'm jumping with Johnny and Malik, I feel ashamed.
Yeah, see, look at that. So sweet, right? Yeah. If only we could all do it. Yeah, it'd be quite fun.
We should be at 23rd Council kind of thing. Yeah, all the whole entire
Yeah.
plane.
Exactly.
That will never happen.
Anyway, can we say hi to all our 23rd Council?
Hello.
Hi, 23rd Council. Thank you for not meeting up for the past few years. For the failed chalet.
Tempted or what?
Come on, the chalet was.
The chalet was actually considered by any means
A success.
successful.
Yeah, successful.
Because he had like what? 15 people.
Nearly 20, I think.
20 lah.
Yeah, 20.
Half lah, half.
Yeah, it was half of the 23rd Council. It was not that bad.
So are you going to smoke your cigar once you touch down?
I don't know. I feel like smoking one tonight.
Oh, okay.
But maybe after I shower and get myself
No, I
cleaned
think
up.
you should ration it out. You have how many left?
I have 4 sticks left.
You should have one after the jump. You should have one after Phillip Island, or at Phillip Island perhaps.
I have more than enough.
One after shopping. Or one while they're shopping.
Honestly, I have more than
To
enough.
while away the boredom.
Actually, I need to go shopping too.
Yeah, so you should.
You need to buy for girlfriend.
Buy for girlfriend, buy for myself. I need to get some, clothes too.
Yeah, I need to more. Oh, yeah, right.
Tomorrow, yeah.
No, so actually we only have Friday and Saturday.
Really, yeah, that's all.
Yeah, that's all we have. It's very tight.
Oh, please don't say that. I feel so sad that we are ending our trip so soon.
You should just
I'm so sad.
enjoy every moment.
I
Even
am.
When you really feel like peeing in the car, you should still enjoy
I am enjoying every moment, but every moment passes by so soon. Isn't it true?
No, still
We are already on our third day.
Yeah,
This
we're
is
on
the
day
end of our third day. Tomorrow is our fourth day, Charlene.
Yes, and we have how many days? 9.
We have 9.
So
We have
we're
5 more
Not
days.
even at the halfway mark.
By tomorrow afternoon, we are at the halfway mark.
Malik, why are you making yourself so upset about this?
Because I don't want to go back and work. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I love you guys at work, but yeah, I
You don't
know.
want to go back to work.
No, I don't want to go back and yeah.
It means shit work.
There you go.
Right?
Yeah, that's true.
Your bed very comfortable.
Nah, you can sleep here lah.
Oh, true. You can sleep here lah, you join us lah.
It's totally unedited.
So,
So- This will be this is my sleeping partner.
Hospitality.
My phone not.
okay, so now we're surprising Malik with his cupcake.
You want me or not? Chocolate already.
Oh my god, 12 o'clock!
Oh my god, you're 29! How do you feel?
I feel 18.
Oh, look at your sexy shots. Oh, ooh. Okay. Whoa.
Can you sing a song?
Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday
Let me go to harmonize.
Happy birthday to Malik. Happy birthday to you. Sit properly, leh.
Happy birthday, brother.
Your shorts a bit tight. Sit properly, please.
I'm zooming in,
Okay.
baby. Yeah, look at that.
Alright. Alright, make a wish. Yeah, we need a knife.
29 years old and 29 inches. Yeah,
We need
right.
Do we need
wish.
do we need to let him
I'll get it.
okay. Okay, make a wish first.
Okay, make a wish.
Make a
Yay!
So because at 29 you have to finish the muffin in 29 seconds.
Woo!
What do I
Okay, now you have to cut.
I don't need this.
Wait.
Okay, you watch.
It's
you watch
slow-mo,
out
ah.
your birthday,
29
I
seconds,
mean, you
counting
finish
the
29 bottles of beer.
In 29 seconds.
29 shots in 29 minutes.
This is a raspberry and white chocolate
Let me cut it.
muffin. Oh, a bit hard, nah. Should we heat it up?
Totally forgot to heat it up.
Maybe we should heat it up first.
Oh, you want to heat it up first?
Should we?
Would you like to have it heated up?
Would you like it warm and hot?
Okay lah. In that
Hot
case.
and sizzling.
Okay, hurry.
Steaming hot, oh my god.
Now it's hot and wet.
Yeah, that's true.
Well,
Wait for it to dry lah. That'd be cool and dry.
Shall we heat it up first?
Yeah, I just
Yes.
set the oven to preheat already.
In the meantime, we get some meat.
Yeah, please have some Indomie
Oh yeah.
cooked by
Cooked by me.
Malik. Cooked by Malik for Malik.
On your birthday, you
Actually,
mean?
you know the
Indomie, Indo you.
for Chinese birthdays, you know how
Oh, yeah,
used to
yeah.
wake up to
Eat
miswa.
miswa.
And then there must be
Oh.
an egg inside, right?
Oh my
And
god,
the egg
Malik.
symbolizes what?
Ovaries.
Fertility. I thought it's fertility.
Yes, please have
No, about your
Chinese
birthday.
Guys, this is mine. Can I break it?
Oh, so how did it taste?
Salty. Like you before you shower. Oh my god, yes.
Okay.
Only you know where.
Can I stop it now? Stop, ma.
Stop.
Stop.